At Combilift, we continue to push the boundaries of perfection. Combilift is the largest manufacturer of multi-directional forklifts in the world. We export to 85 countries and we have 60,000 trucks in use. We're the only manufacturing company that can fully customize to the diverse needs of our customers. CloudSuite is used in all aspects of the Combilift business, from order entry, parts picking for production, right through to the finished truck being dispatched to the customer.
My responsibilities here are the production and planning from when a customer order comes in through the factory door till it leaves the factory floor at the end of the day, whereas we need to react to any issues that might arise in production in real time. We needed a way to visually see the KPI performance on a live time screen. Infor helped us automate the process through the Infor OS homepages. When managers or team members log into Infor CloudSuite, they have personalised KPI homepages set up that they can make informed business decisions without having to go onto the production shop floor or comb through information on the ERP system. This updates every 15 minutes and it allows senior management and management to resolve issues that arise from what KPI information is displayed on their home screens. So areas like our sub-assembly areas that are assembling components for production lines or numerous production lines, they can see how many components they need to assemble. So it's giving them live real-time information, because sometimes a production line might not produce as many units a day as it intended to, so we need to either slow up or speed up certain sub-assembly areas. We are saving 75 minutes per day, not manually having to collect information and utilising the homepage screen. I save maybe 30 minutes a day, not having to walk out onto the production floor to get status updates or record KPI information. So as we have seen the benefits of the homepages, we are planning to roll this out to more of our manufacturing processes.
The Infor suite of products allowed us to make modifications that a lot of other ERP solution providers could not cater for. It's greatly opened the door for us. And as we're a diverse company, we like to have an ERP system that's also diverse and can cater for our needs.